Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to stop Roblox Memory Dump error in Windows 11. Now one of the popular methods is to turn off the memory integrity setting, but before we do that you need to make sure that you've uninstalled Roblox first. Then open your Windows security, and you could do this by clicking on your Windows button and searching for Windows security, and it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on device security. Click on Core Isolation Details, then you can see that the memory integrity is currently turned on. It's good that it's on, but in troubleshooting, you could turn this off, restart your computer, and reinstall Roblox. This usually should fix the problem. However, you still want to keep your memory integrity on. So in order not to run into the same issues again or creating new problems, you just need to make sure that your operating system is fully updated, your graphics drivers have been also updated, and you'll need to restart your computer. On Roblox side of things, you'll need to go over to your Roblox and clear the cache. Alternatively, you can uninstall Roblox and go to your Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox and decide to download Roblox directly from the Microsoft Store. Users have reported success in this, so you can try this out. So these are the different ways in which you can stop Roblox memory dump error in Windows 11.